Well guys, here we are again at the Laatste Falls. Big waterfall we seen when we left the harbour. So when we left the harbour I told you that I'll talk a bit more about this waterfall. It's very special to us. There's actually a pipeline at the top of the waterfall that runs down the side of the cliff face next to the harbour.
Still shots of that.
And at the bottom of that it actually turns a turbine that generates about 500 kilowatts of electricity. That's why you didn't see any power lines on the way in here today. Our village relies on the waterfall for its power. But it's not just power that our village relies on the waterfall for. We also rely on it for our drinking water. In fact, if you've had a cup of tea or coffee today aboard the boat, you've actually been drinking this waterfall, some of the freshest water out there. Now we'll see the Laatste Falls again for the second time. This actually marks the end of our voyage around Milford Sound this afternoon. It's been an absolutely stunning day. It's not like this every day. It's very rare. In fact, I did not expect to see penguins today, so that's a complete added bonus. Anyway, on behalf of myself and the crew, I'd like to thank you all very much for coming with us today. Probably plenty of stops on the way. I'll take lots of photos.